What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the Divoom Tivoo Timebox. So this thing looks kind of interesting. It looks like an old television, but it has a ton of features built into it. It's a Bluetooth speaker, it's an alarm, it has 256 full RGB LEDs, it has a 5-watt driver with passive radiator, 3000 milliamp hour built-in battery, so you can get about 6 hours of playtime. They have over 30 built-in professional sleep aid and smart alarm preset scenarios. It's running Bluetooth 5.0. It also has a built-in music mixer. Apparently you can mix your own music with this. Now of course you need an app because it's got full of features, tons of features. You can do your own animations, you can put your own artwork on there. Anyway, let's just open this thing up. Whoa. Whoa, that is tiny. Wow, this is really heavy, but it's small. Look how tiny that is. Oh, we got instructions, looks like postcards. Interesting. Okay, well, custom little postcards. Comes with a bunch of stickers and instructions. And you have two cables. You got a 3.5 millimeter cable and a micro USB to USB for power. Wow, look at this little thing. It's got little dials on it, so you have channel, volume, power. Now on the top, I'm guessing that's where the speakers are at. On the back, you have your air hole. Then you have your, I'm guessing that's the power button? If that's the power button, then what is that? Huh, I don't know, we'll find out. You got your power button, 3.5 millimeter jack, looks like an SD card slot, and your micro USB slot. Okay, so we're on Bluetooth. Oh, so you turn the dial to show the different displays? So it shows right here, the knob 1 has the different channels. You can do clock, night light, pixel monthly, light effects, music equalizer, customized screensaver. Knob 2, rotate knob 2 to adjust the volume. If you hold it, activate voice memo function. What? All right, test, 1, 2, 1, 2, mic check 1, 2. 1, 2, mic check 1, 2. I'm doing a, this is a note for myself. Wow. To remember to finish recording this video. Wow, that's got a pretty impressive microphone on it. I have no idea where the microphone is though. I'm guessing the microphone is like right here. But wow, that volume is pretty good. Okay, so on the main menu, it's showing a few things. You've got temperature and degrees, and you can do design, animation, L editor, tools, sleep, alarm, music, mixer. All right, just for fun, let's listen to Bass Boosted. Wow. This thing's got some pretty good volume. I didn't expect it to have that kind of volume. That's pretty good. All right, let's check out the DJ mixer. Whoa. Ole! Okay, it's a noisemaker. Got it. Voice message. Or test 1, 2, 1, 2. It sounds good. Let's see what this is. Check, mic check.
This is check, mic check.
I could have fun with that. All right, so you can set your different alarms. You got tons of alarms. Okay, so this is like the ambient sleep stuff. Midsummer, Seashore, Music Box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So if you're getting a phone call like I am here, it actually says call. Let's see how it sounds. Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
So can you hear me okay?
Yeah, you sound good.
I do. Okay, cool. So that's kind of cool. You can use it as a speakerphone just sitting on your desk or whatever. Facebook messages. I mean, there's a bunch of different things in here. So you got different social sites. You have games apparently. Pixel Tetris? What? Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you turn the knob to play Tetris. I mean, that was absolutely terrible. Okay, so you can make your own little animations. Yay, I made an animation. It's kind of neat in the sense of just having something like on your desk that's visually right there where you don't have to grab your phone all the time. Also, a great little desk speaker. I mean, it's actually very solid. The whole thing is really, really solid. And the audio coming out of it is actually really good for such a small little speaker. So for $100 for basically a real fancy smart Bluetooth speaker, I mean, it's kind of neat. It comes in like 3 different colors, but again, it's $100. So I mean, you gotta ask yourself, is something like this worth $100? our box. I will say that it is definitely great build quality. The speaker in it is really impressive. The app is so full of just all kinds of stuff. I mean, if you're looking for a desk buddy for your phone, a little companion for your phone, this might be a cool way to go. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.